What is going on, guys? So today we're back with some more Python. Now, what can a list contain? So lists can contain more than just numbers, right? So we can have um, more than just numbers in the list. Let's visit our classroom example from the previous video. Noel is 61 inches tall, Ava is 60 inches tall, Sam is 67 inches tall, and Mia is 64 inches tall. Instead of storing each student's height, we can make a list that contains just their names, right? So names, Noel, Ava, Sam, Mia. Now we can even contain or combine multiple data types in one list. For example, this list contains both the string and a integer. List can contain any data type in Python. For example, this list contains a string, an integer, a boolean, and a float. So let's experiment with different data types in our own lists. So add any additional string to the end of instance strings. We'll put 6, how about that? I want to make it nice and clean. Okay, there we go. And then create a new list called Sam heights and test scores that contains Sam and 67 to represent his height, and then 85.5 to represent his test, and then true for he passed the exam. So make sure to write the elements in the exact order, and we run it, and yep, there you go. And to print it out, you can do this, and it'll print out the list like so. So that's really easy. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you guys for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a fantastic day.